In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a subdomain in Hostinger quickly and safely. If you've created a subdomain for testing, staging, or a temporary project and you no longer need it, removing it properly will help you keep your hosting account clean and organized. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along, even if you're a complete beginner. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Hostinger tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Head over to hostinger.com and click on Login in the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, and once you're inside, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is where you manage your hosting plans, domains, websites, and other services. From the dashboard, look for the Websites or Hosting section, depending on your interface version. Select the hosting plan connected to the domain where your subdomain was created. Once you're inside the hosting management area, find and click on Domains in the left-hand menu. Under Domains, click on Subdomains. This is where Hostinger lists all the subdomains currently associated with your selected domain. Now you'll see a list of the subdomains you've created. Take a moment to carefully find the specific subdomain you want to delete. Make sure you double-check the name, because once removed, the action takes effect immediately. Next to the subdomain you want to remove, click on the 3 vertical dots, which look like this. This opens the options menu for that specific subdomain. From the drop-down menu, click on Delete. Hostinger will then ask you to confirm your decision. This confirmation step is important because deleting a subdomain will disconnect it from your hosting account, and any files associated specifically with that subdomain may no longer be accessible from that URL. Go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once you confirm, Hostinger will process the request, and the subdomain will be removed immediately from your list. In most cases, the change happens instantly, but keep in mind that DNS updates can sometimes take a short period to fully propagate. After deletion, it's a good idea to check your file manager if you were using a separate folder for that subdomain. While the subdomain itself is removed from the domain settings, the folder in your hosting account may still exist unless you manually delete it. If you no longer need those files, you can remove them from the file manager to free up space and keep everything organized. Also remember that if the subdomain was connected to an email account, database, or application like WordPress, you may want to review those connections to make sure there are no leftover configurations. And that's it. That's exactly how to delete a subdomain in Hostinger. As you can see, the process is straightforward. Go to your dashboard, navigate to Domains, click on Subdomains, find the subdomain you want to remove, click the 3 dots, select Delete, and confirm the action. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss upcoming Hostinger and web hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.